To add a point table, you'll go to the drafting tab and select points from the table section. This is actually going to run the create point label table. You give it a name of the label or of the table for a title. You can set the layer you want it to be placed on, and then you can choose the style defined by the label table style manager. So you then pick a location where you want to place it. So right now we're just going to pick it and put it in this spot here. Then it prompts you to edit the label table, or edit this points table in this case, and to select the objects. Now you can pick the label from the screen, or you can select by layer. Now I know that all the points are on my points layer, so when I do that, it selects 3 points, and when I add those, you can see that it added just the 2 points that are actual point objects. If you had other objects that were selected, such as lines or text, it won't actually add that to the table because this is specifically for a point selection. If you want to remove a point, you can basically do the opposite. You can select that label, remove that point, and you can see I'm left with that 1 point. If these points had elevations, they would display in this column here.